Papa Plus TV.
Hey guys, we are back. Okay guys, tunataka kuambia Happy New Year first of all. Lakini nikuulize, niwe Mama Plus?
Ati?
Ni wewe?
Si wewe?
Hapana ni wewe.
Guys, si huyu. Eshobu ndi wamke kwa nini? So anashaka
guys, niliona kwa comment but sio mimi, ni wewe Mama Plus. Actually guys, okay, it was a little joke, but guys, this year is 2025. It's a banger today. Today kubaza ni ibintu byiryoshye, ibintu yani mutigeze mubonaho. Nguko numwasenze mwinjira uyu mwaka muvuga ngo ni umwaka mushya. Sibyo? Barawusengera ibintu byiza nibyo
Kevin Hart alisema it's about to go down.
Yeah.
So you guys, you should be ready for us.
Said it's about to go down. It's about to go up.
Oh, up.
Yeah. But atutaki hiyo ya down hii mwaka. Hii mwaka hapana. By the way guys, kama kawaida mimi ni Esther on Shine TV, mnatujua, and her.
Yeah, my name is Keza.
Imagine guys, alikuwa anataka nimwambie ati
atusiseme mbele ya watu acha wewe.
Anataka kuniaibisha. By the way tuwaulize guys, tunakaaje? Tunaka smart. I'm notice our logo, like guys, hii ya vile mnatuona tunakaa maziwa, hapa hakuna giza. Giza tumefukuza ama ni aje?
In the name of Jesus.
Giza imeenda. Yani unaona vile hii t-shirt ni mwangaza. Hivyo tutakuwa mwangaza guys.
Ni ya white.
So in comments, it's about to go up. Not down. Guys, comments museme up, sit down. So guys, tulikuwa tumesahau.
We had forgotten our beloved fans.
Yeah, from America,
Norway.
Guys, mwacheni na yeye huyu. Mimi nimesema Norway. Nipo nimesema na ukasema alright.
Nimesema Norway. Norway in English, Norway.
Okay guys, just you know her, today she's more excited than even last year. Last year mlikuwa mnasema tako cold side.
Yeah, we are starting the year on a high note.
Yeah, our beloved from China, Arabic, even Arabic. Because Saudi Arabia, South Africa, America, Canada, Austria. Ni gani tumesahau? Chicago ni county ama ni country?
Acha. Tuendelee.
Guys, mtaambia kwa comments watching around the Europe, yani around the Asia, yote, Korea.
And our beloved fans from Kenya, Rwanda, Africa.
Even South Africa, hata hiyo ya West Africa. Guys, follow us. It's new and new. We are here in Africa. So we're going to supply to you guys. Imagine
it's okay, it happens.
Seriously guys. So guys, we love you so much.
Very much actually, yeah.
Imwaka by the way atujawambia. Guys, atujawambia, thank you so much. We appreciate the sub. We appreciate the comments,
the likes,
the views, the share. May God bless you and may God continue to uplift you. Hii mwaka tumesema ni juu si chini.
Exactly. Whatever she said, that's enough. And with that being said,
Shine Plus TV.
Turabasuhuje abakomeje gukurikira Papa Plus TV nk'ibisanzwe. Uyu ni wa mwanya mumenyereye, nge nitwa Espoir nk'ibisanzwe kuri Papa Plus TV. Ndi kumwe na mugenzi wanjye hano, tuje kubifuriza umwaka mushya muhire wa 2025. Bimeze bite baba, witwa nde?
Meze neza ku batanzi nitwa Josh. Uyu munsi naje kuri Papa Plus kubifuriza umwaka mushya muhire 2025.
Ngaho shimira abadukurikiranye ura mwaka ushize wa 2024.
Yewe mwarakoze cyane, Imana izabaho umugisha. Izabaho amafaranga, mugure bandozi, abafite wifi, muzahore ku kiganiro buri munsi kuri channel nta yindi nahangaha. No muzaza mugera mugaseka, kishima, stress zikarangira.
Natwe tuboneye kubashimira abakunzi ba Papa Plus TV mwese mwadukurikiye umwaka ushize wa 2024. Turabashimiye cyane abakoze subscribe, turabakunda.
Ariko kandi subscribe ntago abantu benshi bazashobora kukavuga. Kababwire neza.
subscribe unoze njye mbivuze nabi ngaho
nanjye nakamenye subscribe
nuko nguko uyu ni Joshua ni mushasha no kuri Power Plus TV ariko nawe tugiye kujya tubana mu biganiro byinshi byiza biri imbere tubafitiye muri uyu mwaka musha 2025 turabakunda cyane abatarakora subscribe mukore subscribe musharinge mukomentinge byose biremewe takibazo izo bintu byose ni sawa cyane bye bye ciao ciao
Murakoze cyane Imana ibaho umugisha kandi muzagomeze mu dukreze za share aho hose mu Bushinwa muri hajya ni hehandi yogiye mu bazungu batumenye Imana izabaho umugisha.
Okay guys, we love you so much. More kisses. Wait, I want my friends when you napendanga when you na comment ya kisses. So guys, bye bye.